What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 10K Round back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make stack jeans without a sewing machine, because I know some people don't got money like that to actually make them with the sewing machine. I'm talking about myself. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do it. All you need is scissors, fabric glue, then a hot glue gun, and 2 pair of jeans, right? But what's it called? I know like some people also can like get 2 of the same pair of jeans, because they're gonna be the same pair of jeans, by the way. But yeah, you gotta get 2 pair of jeans, scissors, fabric glue, and a hot glue gun. But if you want to get some cheap jeans, go to Plato's Closet or like Goodwill or something, and they got the same jeans. Cause you, as long as one fits you, you're good. Then you can get another size. It don't actually have to be the same size, as long as it's the same color. Yeah, but I'm gonna make this video kind of short, and this intro's mad long. So yeah. So now that you got your material and things like that, first you gotta make sure you get the one that fits you, or the one that fits you the best. So these are the ones that fit me the best, and I like these more. So I'll throw these over here, and you get the other pair. Alright, so you get the other pair, and alright, so look, you get the other pair, and as long as it doesn't have rips in it, make sure it like doesn't have rips. Well, actually it can, but like I prefer it without rips. So pretty much you get it. Yeah, when you do this, you get your scissors and you make sure it's the same like length. So like where the knee would be, cut it like right there. So make sure both of them are the same. So you go. That was dumb. Alright, you get your other pair, right? The other pair of jeans, these are the ones that fit you, right? So pretty much grab these. So you should have 2 pants. Like throw these on the side. Throw this. Alright, so now that you cut those, you got 2 pants leg. Alright, so these you put them inside out. Right, so now that they're inside out, this is the important part. This is like actually how you make them. So if you want them to like look like not professional, like to kind of match like the sides, make sure these parts align. So you stick this part on the bottom, you push it in. Until, hold on. Trying to make the ends match so they won't look too weird. So once it's like that, the inside should look like this. So you got the like ones you cut on top and the one like the regular ones in the bottom, right? All right, so you got it like that. You roll this back, right? You roll the top back, and pretty much what you want to do is get your hot glue gun, right? Again, this is for if you have like no sewing machine, and the one that's in the inside, you put glue on top of it, right? I got my glue gun here, and all I'm gonna do is go around with the glue like that. Oh shoot. So that's hot. That's hot. All right. So you put this like this. Oh my gosh, yo. All right. Make sure it's glued like that. Press it together. And try not to get none of your hands around. So I'm probably gonna skip, and I'll see y'all when that's done. All right, so now that you got this, right? This right here. It should be glued all the way around, right? So like this isn't coming out, this isn't coming out. If you want, you don't have to, I'll probably do this later. You can get some liquid stitch, because this takes mad long to dry. So like when you like have time, you pretty much get this and you just stick it in and you just glue inside. It'll literally be like a stitch. But yeah.
You talking about? What are you talking about? What electronic? What are you talking about? Shut the fuck up.
This stitched all the way around. This like the outside, you unroll it. Yeah, you unroll it. Right, and you'll have this. So it came right here, started right here, right, and you glued it all the way around. If the stitch isn't too good, you can go back and do it some more, but pretty much it's just a longer jean. And this part, it'll get distressed like afterwards. So when I say that, what I mean is when you put it in the dryer, it's gonna distress itself. Cause I know some of y'all be dirty and don't be washing y'all's clothes. So I'm gonna need y'all to wash it and y'all see what happens when y'all wash it. So I'll show you what it looks like on later after I put this on. Alright, so this is what they look like when they finish. Well, you're supposed to put them in the dryer and then the ends, they look way better. But yeah, they ain't come out bad whatsoever. But yeah, by the way, you can't even tell where it's stitched. You would think it was stitched like right here. Nah, that's not where it was stitched. That's just like how it blends. But yeah, I think they came out pretty hard. Alright, so that's the new video. And if y'all need a pair of these, I can make it to you. I'll ship it out to you. And yeah, if you live like in the VA area, 757, I got you. I'll bring it straight to you. And yeah, make sure y'all follow my IG in the description. And I'll see y'all later. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe, because we at 1.17K at the time I'm filming this. Let's try and get to 1.18K by the next 2 videos. And yeah, let's get this video to 50 likes. Yeah, 50 likes, because my usual goal is like 20. But yeah, let's get this 50 likes. And yeah. Oh, also, last thing, I'm gonna start posting like more vlogs. So like when I'm out with my friends, I record things like that. And yeah, because doing this like showing you how to make stuff type thing, it's fun doing, but like it feels better if I'm actually like, you know, out having fun with my friends. So yeah, I'm gonna do more vlogs type beat. And yeah, I'll see y'all.